Welcome. Let's understand about data collection. Data collection methods, surveys and questionnaires. Let's know, surveys and questionnaires gather structured, large-scale feedback for customer insights. Interviews and focus groups. Interviews and focus groups gather in-depth, qualitative insights from participants. Observations and fieldwork. Observations and fieldwork capture real-world behaviors for insightful business decisions. Experimental data collection. Experimental data collection tests hypotheses, revealing cause-effect relationships for insights. Document review. Analyzing existing records to gather insights and inform business decisions. Probability sampling measures the likelihood of an event occurring within given conditions. There is one more. Let's see. Key ways data collection impact business decision-making processes. First, understanding customer behavior. Second, market analysis and competitor intelligence. Third, product development and improvement. Fourth, optimizing operations and processes. Fifth, risk management. Sixth, financial decision-making. Seventh, employee performance and engagement. Eighth, predictive analytics and forecasting. Ninth, personalization and customer experience. 10th, compliance and regulation. Thank you and follow us for more like this content.